A flat network in a multi-tenant venue is a critical liability. IEEE 8021Q VLAN segmentation is the foundational security and performance control for any multi-tenant Wi-Fi environment. First, implement the 4 VLAN baseline, guest, staff, POS, and IoT to satisfy PCI DSS isolation and prevent lateral movement. Second, use dynamic VLAN assignment via 802.1x and radius to eliminate the 20-30% airtime overhead from broadcasting multiple SSIDs. Third, apply default deny into VLAN routing because permissive firewall rules negate the security value of segmentation. Fourth, never use VLAN 1 as the native VLAN on trunk ports. Change it to an unused ID to prevent VLAN hopping attacks. Fifth, set DHCP lease times to 1-2 hours on guest VLANs to prevent IP address exhaustion in high turnover environments. Read the full guide at purple.ai.